Hey folks, AJ here. We're back on my famous workbench. Today I'm highlighting a discontinued air control assembly that American Standard used back in the day. And that's this guy right here. Okay, it had a removable knob, okay, that came off the top, okay, with an O-ring that sealed it underneath like that. Okay, there was this lock nut underneath that held it in place to the tub, and it used a 3/4 inch tubing that went down there. Okay, so American Standard has discontinued this air control. If you have any problems with this air control, you'd have to switch it over to this one right here. The most important thing is it fits in the same exact hole as the original one. Okay, so you don't have to mess with your tub, you don't have to drill anything out or change anything else. Okay, it has the same lock nut assembly. It also has a gasket underneath for a watertight seal. So when you put that through the tub, get that nice and snug underneath. That'll give you a watertight seal so no water drips underneath when you put it in. As you can see, it has the same look on top. Okay, it's a little wider than the original, but you can't. All these different manufacturers have different shades of white, and you'll never be able to match anything. Okay, American Standard had a little bit on the pale or yellower side of white, what they offered with their parts. So like I said, it's a little wider, but it'll still work for you. Make your tub functional again. Now you will have to do some plumbing adaptations underneath, as this is 1-inch pipe, receives 1-inch pipe underneath, and like I said, the original one had a 3/4 inch tubing. So go to your local plumbing store, local hardware super center, whatever you need that's close to you, to get the fittings to adapt to yours tub. We don't get involved with fittings, but those are easily to find locally at anyone, like I said, any of your plumbing stores, to go from the 1-inch to the 3/4 inch barb, whatever you need to do. I'm sure they'll have the fittings there to help you out. But to replace this old air control from American Standard, we recommend this one. Any questions beyond this video, feel free to give us a call. We are your Whirlpool Tub Parts Authority.